electric air compressor. Brand name is TEROMAS. Now this is a detail about user's manual. Here this are DC AC operating instructions. Here troubleshooting cautions and email, contact support. Here's a product parameters. Letter R here stands for pressure unit switch. Plus minus stands for pressure adjust button. That's the important part. And here this is a line switch button. Here this is a power switch button. Here this is a socket for AC cable. And here this is a socket for DC cable. Here this is air hose. LED light. 1 year warranty, email support.